I am Jeremy James de Los Angeles, Ibas, 17 years old, representing Grade 12 Garchi Carrera.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arthur K.P. Paroli, 17 years old. 12, wake up!
Afternoon, everyone. My name is John Mark Goodman, 17 years old, representing Grade 12 Greta.
Joshua Harding, 16, representing grade 11 Fernandez.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good man sportsmanship goes beyond the game. It starts respect, kindness, loyalty, and friendship. This is Shirley Culianes, proud to represent Grade 8.
Afternoon, everyone. My name is Joker Pilar, 14 years old, representing Grade 9 Roldan.
Dress of a distinctive design or fashion. It enhances school pride, unity, and community spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a hand to our candidate in their fabulous school uniform. A round of applause, please.
Don't get tired yet, don't get tired yet. Baby, break the took you one time. Alright. See you been looking at it all night. I'm not okay. Saying that you got that good little tension. Can you tell me this is all never been? Give me love until I just can't take it. Take it, shining on. Baby, break this up. Baby, break this up. Don't get tired yet. Don't get tired yet. Baby, break this up. Break this up. Baby, break this up. Doing something all damn night, no sunshine. Only on my heart. It's got me up in here, we got stop. Let's go, let's go. Keep the one minute like a pro. Only on my heart.
production number. So the best introduction number is given to the candidates who carries himself and herself in their opening salvo. Our best introduction number is, for male category, we have,
Sino kaya ang manununod? Sino ang maswerte?
yes, our male best introduction number goes to candidate number, who's your bet? Okay, candidate number 9. Best introduction number, male category.
Okay, congratulations.
Male.
Okay, best introduction number male category. We have candidate number.
Number 9. Anong number mo? Ayun. Okay. Sash?
The presenters of the awards is the class advisors of our candidate number 9.
Together with the parents and the guardian of the candidate number 1. Congratulations, candidate number 9.
And our best introduction number, female category, is candidate number. Candidate number 8.
Congratulations, candidate number 8 for female category. To award the sash, we call it the advisor and legal custom number 8 together with the parents or the guardian. Congratulations at this juncture. Let us now punta tayo sa Mr. and Ms. Photogenic. The Ms. Photogenic Award is given to the ladies and gents who registers the best in picture. He and she is the one who projects well in the camera, must so that he or she might actually charm anyone just by his or her picture. This award was personally handpicked by our board of judges, and this award is to be given out by the advisor of the winning contestant. And for our male category, push your back! For the Mr. Photogenic male category, congratulations, candidate number 7.
Okay, congratulations, candidate number 7.
Congratulations. And to our Miss Photogenic female category is... Who's your bet? Our Miss Photogenic for tonight's event is candidate number 2. Congratulations, candidate number 6 for becoming the best in production attire, male category. Okay! For the best in production attire, for female category
Our best in production attire, female category is none other than candidate number 7. And the staff may formally announce
candidate number 7.
Let's go now to the Mr. and Miss Congeniality. So this is the most sweetest, the most friendliest among our Binibinis and Ginoo. So who's your bet? Okay, so our Mr. Congeniality is... Candidate number 3. Mr. Candidate number 3.
male category.
Male category.
Congratulations, candidate number 3.
So, alright, the certificate of massage, I would like to request one of our judges, Ma'am Jessa Clarillo.
Congratulations.
Okay, so our Miss Congeniality is... Candidate number 6. I would like to request Mr. Joshua Jogo. And our best round female category, we have candidate number 9.
Female category number 9.
I would like to request again the video.
Congratulations, candidate number 9 for best in rock.
Yes.
Next,
Our best round male category is no other than candidate number 8.
male category candidate number 8. Congratulations! And let us go to the Best in School Uniform Awards. Kaya ang mananalo na naman dito. For male category, Best in School Uniform is candidate number
Candidate number 1. Sir Richard Bauer.
Congratulations, candidate number 1. And the female category for Best in School Uniform goes to candidate number 9.
I would like to request from Jessa Florida, please.
Candidate number 9 for Best in School Uniform, female category.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our second set of special and minor awards. Congratulations, ladies and gents.
Okay, you may now go backstage to prepare for the talent competition. Thank you so much. So may I request the audience po kung sino tayo.
Gusto ko ba pumasyon? Ang hindi nila gusto mo ba yun? Gusto ko ba kailangan ko tinatay? That's what I love. I guess you did back it. I want to go inside. That's why I love. I see back it. Oh, the show is
Ayaw mo umiti? Okay, so once again, I would like to thank the following sponsor, Avon, Eliox Grocery, Sir JJ Creation Events, from Cheyenne Cabrera, to our judges, faculty and staff, and to our stakeholders, PNP San Jose, Barangay Tanon, LGU Barangay, local government unit of Barangay Silugot, to the event organizers, Sir Gil, Sir Jose, to our tabulators, sa mga assurance natin at sa mga naka-assign sa kitchen. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Of course, sa mga parents and guardians ng ating mga nagagandang mga kandidata. Sa handlers, ayan, thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, dito usog-usog siguro tayo dito. Diyan na. Diyan na lang. O, dito tayo. So, at magiging mekas. Please start forward.
Please join us here at the center of the stage and pick your question. So your question is chivalry lost? Again, is chivalry lost?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Chivalry is polite, kind, and unselfish behavior by man towards you. For me, I was raised by my parents with values and respect. Chivalry is not gender lost. Being chivalrous simply means using proper etiquette, manners from all women, which is not difficult. It is one of our greatest assets being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Thank you so much. 3 for the male category.
And picking card. Okay. Medyo na ito ako.
Okay. Ayan. Check natin yung gawa ng question na pili mo. Your question is, do you think sports are an important part of the school activity? Again, do you think sports are an important part of the school activity?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I do believe sports play an important role in our life. As a student, I see how sports change the life of many, and I think it's a part of school activity. Through sports activity in schools, we can instill in the minds of students and other people the value of camaraderie, hard work, and sportsmanship. And as an advocate of wellness, we can involve in sports activities to build our self-esteem while reducing stress, anxiety, and connecting to other people. And I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, by playing sports, we can improve our quality of life. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number.
Paalala lamang po, huwag po tayong sisigaw kapag sasagot ang ating mga kandidato. Your
Your
question.
question is, what is your definition of success?
Mr. Lang, good afternoon everyone. Mr. Lang, I live your life the way you want to. And the most especially, believe in yourself with confidence, the most special. With satisfaction and happiness. That's what we all thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4.
Okay, let's move on with candidate number 5. And pick your okay. And your question is? Okay, so tell us about time when you have encountered negative peer pressure and overcame it.
Good evening, everyone. I encountered negative peer pressure when my parents separated, and eventually they had their own family, and
Kaya mo yan, Ichiki.
I overcame it through the help of people surrounded by me, especially my relatives and friends who are always there for me. And I thank God for giving me.
You have candidate number 6. Can you pick your question?
Pick your question. Okay, and your question is? So your question is, how does someone get into the in crowd? How does someone get into the in crowd?
It's enjoyable to be in crowd at basta't magtiwala ka lang sa iyong sarili. At maging mabait at maging mabait sa lahat, sir.
Yes, so kailangan talaga natin maging mabait in all forms.
Yes. So to candidate number 7.
And number 7. Okay, and your question is? Okay, so the question is, what is your most embarrassing moment? Again, what is your most embarrassing moment?
Good evening, everyone. The most embarrassing moment in I did. The most embarrassing moment thing I did was when I sit in front a lot of people, even though I wasn't in tune.
Thank you so much. Candidate number
Thank you so much.
7.
I can feel you.
Okay. Candidate number 8. Please Let's move forward.
Yes, and pick your question. And your question is, can students make a difference in politics even before they can vote? Again, can students make a difference in politics even before they can vote?
Voting is voting is a very important part of democracy. And as a student, I would like to request each and everyone to choose a leader who will represent the whole, not their personal interest. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much. Okay, ay, dali mo na yan. Sige na. Thank you. Next to candidate number
Nine,
Nine.
our last finalist for
male category.
And your question is, what accomplishment are you most proud of and why? What accomplishment are you most proud of and why?
Good evening, everyone. Having such a caring, hardworking, and supportive parents is one of my biggest accomplishments in life, which I am proud most. They raise us in a manner and way. Mama and Papa, thank you for loving me unconditionally. I hope I made you proud today. Thank you.
Yes.
Pick your question. Your question is, do you believe that homeschooling a child is positive or negative? Again, do you believe that homeschooling a child is positive or negative?
For me, I say positive because we can avoid violence and drugs and other negative behavior. In school, if when they encounter things, that's all.
Take your question. Your question is, what is or are your favorite things to do and why? What is or are your favorite things to do and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. The favorite thing I like to do is reading a book and also creating a poet because it can save me from loneliness, sadness, and tiredness, and I gain more knowledge and experience from it. And I think the knowledge I gain from it will be a help to our country. And it widened my vocabulary and it helped understand the world that we live in. And I believe if you burn a book, you burn a people whose book is our ancestors, and I thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Candidate number two.
Now on to candidate number 3.
Pick your question. And your question will be,
Your question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a responsible student of Sullivan High School? On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a responsible student of Sullivan High School?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for that wonderful question. If I will rate myself as a student in this school, I will give only 7 because I know that I'm not perfect. But as a young individual trying to improve myself with the help of our dear parents, teachers, mentors, and these institutions, I can do a lot of transformation. One of that is being responsible for myself academically, like being always present in class, participate in the class discussion, recitations, and groupings, and be actively involved in other school-related activities. Before I step down in this youthful stage, I want to leave this to you. One idea that I have only in mind. Do respect to everyone because for me, respect means perfect, and I thank you.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you so
Respect
much.
begets respect.
Yes, thank you so much, candidate number 3. Let's proceed to...
Here, and pick your question.
Okay, kinabog tayo sa gambit.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Open na ba? At marami na tayong hawak. Thank you. Your question is, should teachers and students be friends on Facebook? Should teachers and students be friends on Facebook?
Good evening to all of you. First of all, I do believe that being friends in Facebook is not a really big thing because teachers know set boundaries with their students. Besides, Facebook is one of the easiest way to communicate with our students. I find connecting with the students, online learners for social media. And just to be reminded to
So your question is, if you could be any celebrity today, who would you be? If you could be any celebrity today, who would you be?
Pagod ka ng katayo. Hayaan mo na sila. Sila ka nakatayo eh.
evening, everyone. If I called a celebrity, I think would be my Prata. Why? Because I like how she handled everything in her perspective in life. And then she is one of the best example for being a more
Uwi na kami sa mga. Ate pa sabay mo.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Question. Your question is, do you think clicks are negative? Do you think clicks are negative?
Good evening to all of you. Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. Well, for me, clicks are not negative unless they are not bad influence. I'm just so thankful to my cliques for being a good role model and helping me for everything. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Your question is, how did you prepare for this pageant? How did you prepare for this pageant?
Bilang isang mag-aaral, isang karangalan at pribilehiyo ang makasali sa patimpalak na kagaya nito. Inihanda ko ang aking sarili hindi lamang sa pisikal, kundi pati na rin sa mental at espiritual. Ako ay nakatayo sa inyong harapan upang magliliwanag ng kahit individual. Ako ay nakatayo sa inyong harapan upang maliliwanag ng bawat isa sa patimpalak na ito.
Pick your question.
Ako man ni Kuya Ivan. Ayun naman.
Your question is, how are you a role model for your underclassmen? How are you a role model for your underclassmen?
I am a role model of the underclassmen by showing a good character to be a student that I am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Ayan, let's proceed to candidate number 9.
Ayan.
Pwede ako nakakalimutan number. Ayan. Pick your question. Okay. Your question is, if you could meet any person in history, who would it be and why? If you could meet any person in history, who would it be and why?
If I could meet a person in history, it would be probably Dr. Serra because of his notable contribution, values, and imprinted passages which are timely and relevant to today's societal issues in our country. With the brutal crimes, inflation rate we experience in our economy, poor decision-making in choosing the leader, corruption, and oppression, I can conclude that we Filipinos haven't changed in these past years. I want Rizal to be remembered and be a wake-up call, especially to the youth, to open their minds to the truth and action. One of Rizal's line in the novel says, "What use is freedom if our slave today will be the tyrants of tomorrow?" This entails that it's okay if we want to change our government, but if we don't educate ourselves, our behavior will still be bad and nothing will change. With the poor decisions and reflections we made in these last years, we just repeating the history of the veil and torture to poverty. I want to regain and recalibrate once again Rizal as the lead once again I want to regain and recalibrate once again Rizal as the guiding light that we need to have a reforms for national building. We youth should be the voice of extending. We youth should be the voice of extending human rights and be an active citizen for self-government.
Ayan.
Okay, pick your question. Okay, buti na lang nag-hints talaga ako. Patakpan ko lang. Your question is, are sports or extracurricular activities more important? Are sports or extracurricular activities more important?
In my point of view, sports or extracurricular activities are important because it is an essential element of student personal growth and development. First foremost, extracurricular activities are established by the school to develop skills and other talents of every student. Have the opportunity to enhance new skill and knowledge, meet new friends, and break social barrier and act. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much, candidate number 10. And so partner, what is happening to you? Okay, let's proceed to candidate number 11.
11. Okay. Candidate number 11, pick your question.
Your question is, what is more important, beauty or intelligence? What is more important, beauty or intelligence?
Ideally, both intelligence and beauty are Ideally, both beauty and intelligence are equally important. But as to this question, it is more important that one must possess intelligence. The intelligence to use beauty properly. Physical beauty can fade, but beautiful intentions can last and create significant impact when intelligently manifested. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 11, let's proceed to candidate number 12.
Hello, candidate number 12. Pick your question. Okay.
Busog na kita.
And your question is?
Your question is, what are some qualities of an influential leader? What are some qualities of an influential leader?
An influential leader must possess the qualities of having a moral principle. He or she must have a hope, and she must believe that he or she must be a leader and not just give a given task, but give a personal benefits. And I take it.
Thank you.
Candidate number 12.
Moving on, candidate number 18. Please join us here to pick your question.
Your question is, what is your biggest weakness and why? What is your biggest
Expectation and option are matters to me. And so insecure and scared, people will always say you don't find it. Easy to say, it's hard, especially pretending to be confident. I guess this event to make me feel like confident. Beautiful enough to face. For people who feel I know we can do anything. We are a beautiful thing.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13.
Now let's proceed to candidate number 14.
Pick your question.
Ayan na. Uwi na tayo dyan. Ha?
Kasi manay.
Ha? Bako. Number 4.
Ano ba ito? Kasi mo.
Ano ba?
Your question is,
Yung number
if you could go back in time, what would you change and why? If you could go back in time, what would you change and why?
Thank you for your wonderful question. Good evening, everyone, especially to all judges and teachers. For me, I don't need to change anything because I believe that whatever happened into our life, it always having a good reason. It depends in God's will. And I do not have any regrets because it gives me a lot of good lessons. And it's good thing that I get this.
So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. Next is candidate number 15.
You're so tall.
Yes. Nilango ng heels ko.
Your question is, how does your family did to you as a candidate for Binibining ng Lahi 2023? How does your family did to you as a candidate for Binibining ng Kalaro ng Lahi 2022?
Thank you so much, Ma'am, for that wonderful question. For me, joining pageant like Binibini ng Lahi 2022 can be physically and emotionally draining. But the candidates are grateful that their families have been behind their backs as they chase their dreams. I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, without their family, there is no Kaya Kalagao standing in front of you with a whole confidence and how lucky I am and beautiful I was right now. I am not just a girl, but I am a lady now with a beautiful life and the future. That will be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's proceed to candidate number 16.
16. Good luck. With your question.
Your question is, if you could change one thing about your life, what would it be and why? If you could change one thing about your life, what would it be and why?
Good evening to all of you. If I could change one thing about my life,
Di ba magkapit-bahay ito sa kayo?
if I could change one thing about my life, what would it be? It's such an interesting question, but I guess I won't change anything in my life. Life is full of challenge, change. Our life is a process of growth and development. And in order for us to grow, change exists. What I mean is that everything that happens in me, whether good or bad, has its own purpose. Those mistakes I made me a better version right now standing in front of you. Remember that a real definition of change means learning and keep growing. And I thank you.
Proceed to candidate number 17. Your question is, what about being a Salagonians are you most proud of? What about being a Salagonians are you most proud of?
The most proud of being a Salagonians, the people here are great. The teachers, even my classmates helped me to be a better version of myself. They helped me to grow into what I am today. Maybe this is something that I should to be proud of, being a Salawan, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Anyway.
My spider foot. Let's proceed to our last candidate number 18. And your question is, there is a saying that all we need is love. Aside from love, there is a saying that all we need is love. Aside from love, what else do we need?
For me, aside from that, like for also, we need care, attention, and respect. Una-una ang pag-alaga dahil ang pag-alaga ay isang pagsasakrifisyo, which is showing love for someone at kung gaano mo kamahal ang isang tao. And the attention, we also need and if we have a problem, we need someone else's attention dahil kailangan natin ang karamay at masasabihan ang problema. And the most important thing is respect. Kahit saan tayo magpunta, dapat dali-dali natin ang respeto upang tayo din ay respetuhin ng ibang tao. Kaya maging magalang at kapag-ubaba sa mga taong magkatanda. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kennedy.
So once again, thank you so much po sa ating board of judges and to our sponsors, Amos Hawa, Ilong Grocery.
Yan, number 1 ang anak nyo.
Iwan!
Anong grade?
Ang Young's Grocery! Asan yung kapito ko? Ayan.
Candidates, please.
Ladies, balik na kayo dito sa stage. Ayan.
Next award. I would like to request Kalawat to give the certificate and the sash to our candidate. So our People's Choice Award is
Our People's Choice Award for the male category is
candidate number 3, Jeremy James Eagles.
Congratulations! Yan. Yan. Blue. People's Choice Award female category goes to contestant number 1, Sophia Jane Trano. Napaka naman yun. So, award the certificate. May I call in Sir Alberto Rino.
Sir Ed.
Best in Talent male category goes to contestant number. Iyawan ba iyawan dyan? For Best in Talent male category, congratulations, candidate number 4. So award, may I go with Mr. Junjun Bakay?
Candidate number
7. So award, may I go with the advisor of candidate number 7.
Ha? Kasi ng balot. Ha?
I will request
And the favorite,
also.
if you are around.
Our best in sportswear for male category is no other than candidate number 8.
Congratulations, candidate number 8. So award, may I call in the advisor or the parent of the candidate? Advisor, please. Next up is the sportswear
candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, may I call in the parent or the guardian?
Kasi ng mama mo, matabagal pawit yan.
natin sa partner at maggabi na.
Opo.
Okay, nag-isa tayo.
So our best in Formula Car.
Formula car is for male category.
Our best in Formula Car goes to candidate number 1.
Congratulations, candidate number 1 to award.
Requesting the parents.
Yes.
Ayan, nagsisiguro yan.
Wow, daddy. Siya talaga kumawak.
Congratulations. Now, let's proceed to best in long gown female category. Best in long gown is hereby awarded to
Candidate number
candidate number 15,
15.
female category.
Yes.
To award,
Anyway.
may I call in the parent or the guardian of candidate number 15?
Si parents po.
Taga San Miguel. Ito, pamangkin ni Ate yan.
Congratulations! Ayan. Meron pa ba tayong set of awards? While we are waiting for the magic 5, let us first award the certificate of participation.
So let me read you the citation. Republic of the Philippines.
Ayan, palapakan naman natin yung mga contestants natin.
Thank you so much. Same certificate of participation is given to Raymore P. Bonaobra. Yes. Also to Sherwin L. Clarianes. Mr. Harjun K. B. Parode. John Mark Munio. Jeremy James D.A. Idos. Marisa May B. Kenya. Ba't pa change gown?
Nagpalit din pala siya. Oo. Inumos niya rin yung nakulikta nila sa damit. Hindi na sayang.
Sa change outfit. Ayan. Same certificate of participation is given to Hannah Raisa P. Calapis.
Ano ba ito? Photographer na po? Patutulong? Picture. Kasama sa picture si Kayama. Oo, kapaulit.
Merry Chris.
Gutom na ako.
Shirley B.
Minsan pa. Hindi yan nagpalit. Ewan, wala nang...
Miss Tricia May, Miss Anne P. Agravante. Miss Lovely S. Toral. And finally, Mr. Jomer O. Amiral. For participating in our Bini-Bini Aquinola Palawan 2022.
Yes, congratulations. And of course, we're going to award the certificate of commendation to our beloved sponsor.
Ay, yan. Sabi mo lang. Kahit na wala na sila.
Sa pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang Magic 4. Let's start with male category. Male category not in order.
No particular order. Candidate number. Candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3.
Okay.
Next, napasok sa Magic 4. In male category, let us welcome candidate number 8. Ayan, palakpakan nyo naman sila. Para naman napaganahan naman sila. Next, in male category, pasok na sa mga candidate number 5.
Ay.
Oo, nakasama.
At ang pinakahuli sa lahat. Pasok na pasok ka dahil ikaw ay sasama! Candidate number 1!
For our female category, it's your time to shine. Candidate number 15.
Candidate number 15, female category. Pasok ka sa mga 15. Oo, kasali ka. Diyan ka na. Pasok na pasok ka. Candidate number
11.
Sumama ka na rin! Sumama ka na rin sa samahan! Candidate number 9! Asa na si candidate number 9?
And to complete our top 4 for female category, we have candidate number 13.
Candidate number 13! O 14? Oo, ikaw! Okay, ano sunod natin? Okay, so now let's proceed to the final Q&A. At kayo leaders, Jets, doon muna kayo sa likod. Babalik kayo mamaya sa award. Lalapit tayo, huwag na English yun. Lapit tayo sa mga judges at pipili kayo ng contestant kung sino gusto ninyong tanungin. Yes. Talaga, or kami na lang? Sige, ganito. Tatawagin namin in any order and paano ba? Nalito na ako. O sige, simula ako dito kayo mapapunta doon. Okay, let's start with the male category. Candidate number 5.
Hello, candidate number 5. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm okay.
Okay. So, are you ready for your question? So, the question for you is, if you would be given a chance to talk with our Deputy Secretary, our Vice President, Sara Duterte, what issue about education would you like her to address? What issue about education would you like her to address? Shall I translate the question in Filipino? Okay. Kung mabibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na makausap ang ating Vice Presidente na kaninong din ng Departamento ng Edukasyon, anong problema sa edukasyon ang nais mong solusyonan niya?
Pwede kang mag-answer in your most comfortable language.
Dapat po yung marami estudyante po hindi nagsusuot ng uniform na alam ko yun na ating Vice President yung pagsusuot ng uniform.
Number 5.
Okay, next top candidate number 3.
Okay, hello. So, good evening, number 2. Good evening po. How are you feeling? A little bit nervous here. Okay, that's okay. So, by the way, congrats kasi almost up. Okay, ang question ko, actually, ano siya, HR, language mo na. So, so here's my question. Sa anong uri ng sports o laro mo maihahabi o maihahalulad ang iyong buhay? Sa anong uri ng sports o laro mo maihahabi o maihahalulad ang iyong buhay?
Thank you po sa maganda pong katanungan, sir. Kung iangambing ko ang aking sarili sa isang laro o sports, siguro ito yung basketball. Kasi kahit anong hirap danasin, kahit anong hirap ipasok yung bola sa kaya pa rin natin. As a Pilipino, hindi tayo sumusuko sa anumang mga pagsubok o problema. Kaya naniniwala ako na ang Pilipino ay walang kinakatakutan ng problema at kayang solusyonan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Candidate number 8, please. Okay. The question will be coming from Sir Junjun Pakay.
Good evening, candidate number 8. Good evening po. Good evening po. How are you feeling po na nakalog na kayo sa top 4? And I believe most of the awards na kuha mo, no? Kumusta ka? Okay naman po, masaya. Pinakabahan? Konti, okay. Ito simple lang yung tanong ko. Kung meron ko ng showtime tapos yung kakatapos pa lang na Miss Q&A, ito yung final question. My question is, naniniwala ka ba na may taong tanga? Again, naniniwala ka ba na may taong tanga?
Naniniwala ka ba?
Naniniwala po ako na may taong Lord, nagkakaikotin ka na, nagpaparating ang pagaling. Okay na po.
Alam niyo na, huwag taka na tala. Moving on, ayan. Candidate number 1, please join me here, and your question will be Miss Rio Jean Francis.
My question is, would you consider Mr. and Miss Intramurals a sport? Why or why not? Would you consider Mr. and Miss Intramurals a sport? Why or why not? In Filipino, may tuturing mo bang isang sport ang Mr. at Miss Intramurals? Bakit o bakit hindi?
Yes po. Kasi para-paras lang po, naglalaban-laban para may maging kampiyon.
Kahit naman si... Nakaharap pa naman yung
Ang ginagawa namin pero best namin para siguro kami yung siguro
Ano? Wala. Di mami nga.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 1. So that concludes our top 4 for our male category. So let's come now to C. And your question will be coming from Ate Shai Cabrera. Hello. Hi, hello. Hi, hello. Ano gusto mo tanong ko sa'yo? Tagalog o English? Tagalog. Okay. Ito ang tanong. Aling kalakasan o kasanayan ang sa tingin mo ay dapat laging taglaw ng isang atleta at bakit? Aling kalakasan o kasanayan ang sa tingin mo ay laging taglay ng isang atleta at bakit? Okay. Uulit ko. Aling kalakasan at kasanayan ang sa tingin mo ay dapat laging taglay ng isang atleta at bakit?
Sa tingin ko po, ang kalakasan na dapat dinataglay ng isang atleta ay ang pagiging fair. Ang atleta po ay lumalaban sa iba't ibang uri ng patimpala at kailangan na maging patas tayo sa lahat ng ating laban. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Thank you. Number 15. Now, candidate number 11, please. And your question will be coming from Ma'am Rio.
Good evening, candidate number 11. Your question is, what do you think is the greatest challenge that most athletes are facing today? Would you like me to translate it today? Ano sa palagay mo ang pinakamalaking hamon na kinakaharap ng karamihan sa mga atleta ngayon? Ano sa palagay mo ang pinakamalaking hamon na kinakaharap ng karamihan sa mga atleta ngayon?
Ang pagiging insecure po nila. Kasi once po na-insecure ka sa sarili mo, ka ba? Katulad ko po, bilang sumali po dito sa pageant na ito, ako po ay, to be honest po, kinakabahan po ako kasi first time ko po na mag-try today. Pero kinakaya pa din po, kaya sa lahat na kinakabahan, huwag magpatalo sa kaba, bagkos, maging positibo sa buhay, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. Ayan. So it's really hard to be in front of so many people. Ayan. Sir Jujang Papa.
Hello, candidate number 9. Okay. You can answer it in any dialect, any language. My question is, with so many crises that visit us today, how can you be of help as sports ambassadors? Do you want me to... Okay. Sa napakaraming crisis na kinakaharap natin ngayon, paano ka makakatulong bilang sports ambassadors? Again? Di ba marami tayong kinakaharap ng mga cases ngayon, di ba? And since we are celebrating intramurals, more on sports, di ba? Paano ka makakatulong bilang sports ambassadors?
Sa sa pagsunod po ng mga rules and regulations sa school para rules and regulations sa school and empowerment po para mapalakas ang ating kabataan para dito po sa sports na to, sa patimpalag na ito.
Ay, ganun talaga eh.
Yun lang po.
Last time for Q&A, Sir Diego.
Hindi po.
Our feeling. Our feeling. Okay lang yan. That's natural. Okay, so congratulations pa yan.
Hindi po.
Okay, here's my question. Magpamatapos sa Tagalog mo. Okay, para sa iyo, ano ang dapat maging pangunahing plano ng isang binibini ng Palaro 2022? Okay, yung bilin mo. Para sa iyo, ano ang dapat na maging pangunahing plano o pangunahing layunin ng isang binibini ng Palaro 2022?
So, thank you po for your wonderful question. So, para po sa akin, ang magiging plano ng isang kandidata bilang ako po, kasi first time ko po sumali sa pageant, dapat po matuto tayong tanggapin na kung tayo pa manalo o matalo. Kasi po, pag iniisip ko kasi po na kunyari nag-expect ka po na mananalo ka, tapos yun pala matatalo ka, ay know po na it hurts, masakit po yun. Kaya for me, okay lang po sa akin kung hindi pa ko manalo. Kasi po, ginawa ko yung lahat, yung best ko and efforts ko. And that's all. Thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 14. So that concludes our final question and answer round.
Yes.
So in a short while, malalaman nito sa
Requesting all the candidates to please dito na kayo. Third runner-up, female category, goes to contestant number 9. Congratulations! To awards, may I call in the parents, of course, the advisor of contestant number 9. Third runner-up.
Yeah, congrats!
Third runner-up, male category, goes to candidate number 5. To award, may I call in the parents, also the advisor of our candidate number 5.
Ako, gandi. Ay, asa niya, no? Ha?
Next award, second runner-up for Pilipini ng Palaro ng Lahi 2022. Ano ito na? Sino on? Let's start with the male category, second runner-up. This award is given to contestant number 1. Award? To receive the award goes to the parents and also the advisor. Ayan. Urong-urong kayo ng konti mga be para hindi tayo sudo. Yung kayo sa gitna. Candidates, urong-urong kayo ng konti. Ayan. Gabi. Urong kayo. Ayan. And runner-up, female category, Binibini ng Palaro 2022 goes to candidate number. Second runner-up goes to candidate number 11. So award, may call the parents and the advisor of candidate number 11. Next award, paspasan ka na. First runner-up for male category goes to contestant number 8. So our medical secretary Tarzan is the advisor of candidate number 8. Ayan, ayan. Sino? Sino ang first runner-up? Ang first runner-up natin ay candidate number 20! Congratulations to award the parents. Ang candidate number 14. Yes! Ang talaga naman isang title sa junior high, isang title ng senior high. May alam ako dito para sa ano title. Okay! Ang Palaro 2022! Ang Pinoon ng Palaro 2022 is so honored as candidate number 3 to award may I call them shine from the rock. The class advisor is also the parent of candidate number 3. Congratulations! Okay, for our Binibini ng Palaro 2022. Congratulations, candidate number 15! So, Leotin Lances. Of course, the class advisor of candidate number 15 as well as the parent. Congratulations! Habang nag-picture taking, may I call in? While we are going to doing the photo op, may I call in Sir Edwin Fernandez for his closing remarks. Habang nag-picture. For the Binibini ng Salomon 2022.
Our fourth runner-up for Binibini ng Salomon 2022. So ito po yung nagkaroon tayo ng money contest. 2 weeks ago, so sila po yung nanalo sa atin. And our great runner-up, Binibini ng Salubon 2022 is none other than Miss Annalyn Bueno.
Ayan, nag-change outfit na siya. Fourth runner-up for Binibini ng Salubon 2022. So award, may I call it the parent? Parents of Miss Annalyn Bueno.
Pili ng Salubon 2022 is Miss Lavi Corralde.
Third runner-up. So award, may I call it the parent or the guardian of Miss Corralde. Ayan yung...
So once again, thank you so much and congratulations po. And our second runner-up is Miss Jade Esteban.
So award, may I call it the parent of Miss Jade Esteban. The first runner-up for Binibini ng Salubon 2022 goes to Stephanie Ira Siroy. So award, may I call it the parent or the guardian of Miss Siroy?
Mama.
Okay.
Ate. Okay. Congratulations po and thank you so much. Is no other than
I am holding this one.
okay, our Binibini ng Salubon 2022 is no other than Miss Clarissa Rodriguez.
Cheers!
Gutierrez. I stand corrected. Congratulations, Clarissa Gutierrez.
Fourth, may I call this the parent or the
Parents
guardian?
po.
For Ginoon ng Salubon 2022. Second runner-up for Ginoon ng Salubon 2022. Our winning applause to Mr. Jomar Aguilar. Any representative for this?
Si Emerald na. Ah, si Bago. Nagsangli na kaya.
For Ginoon ng... Ano ba to? Utong na talaga yung FC. Pagpasensyahan na. Second runner-up for Ginoon ng Salubon 2022. Sure draw. James Buralim. Sorry po, sa mix-up. So award, may I call in the parent? To the staff.
Okay, next is the first runner-up for Ginoon ng Salubon. At confirm na confirm na result ito. Hindi ko itong result. Ayan. Congratulations, Jeremy James Kidos. Doon kayo sa gitna, bebe? To be awarded. Okay, and the Ginoon ng Salubon 2022, pakiconfirm ka at pakagutom na naman ang result na makita mo. Yung corona o nila. Ayan, for the Ginoon ng Salubon 2022, congratulations to Raymond P. Buenobra! To award, may I call in the sisters or the guardians? Ayan, sipat tayo sa isang award. Oh, ayan.